Have you noticed how suddenly everyone is a real estate expert? Buy it, fix it, rent it, refinance it, repeat. Apparently that's the formula to get rich. But here's what nobody talks about. The BRRRR method of investing can make you wealthy over time, or it can make you broke faster than almost anything else. And today I'm going to explain exactly why it scares me. Not because real estate is bad, but because leverage doesn't forgive mistakes. What is the BRRRR method? Here's what the strategy stands for. Buy an undervalued home, rehab it, rent it, refinance it, repeat. On paper, it looks brilliant. You buy something for $200,000, you renovate it, now it's worth $250,000. You rent it out for $1,500 a month. Then you go back to the bank, pull out the equity, and you use that money to buy another property. Repeat the process. Over time, you build a portfolio. And yes, some people have done very well. But here's the part that bothers me. Who's guaranteed to get paid? Before the investor makes a dime, let's look at who definitely gets paid. The realtor. In my area, it's 6% on the first $100,000 and 3% on the rest. On $300,000 home, that's around $12,000 plus taxes. The insurance agent, because lenders require property insurance and often life insurance. The bank, they make money on the spread between what they pay you and what they charge you. The renovation crew, the construction supply store, the appraiser. Every refinance needs one. The municipality, property taxes never take a vacation. The lawyer, every transaction needs one. Look at that list. A lot of people get paid before you ever do. And that reminds me of something. In the 1890s, thousands of people rushed north during the Klondike gold rush. They were chasing wealth. Few found it, many went broke. But the people who sold shovels, tents, horses, hotel rooms, they made money. The BRRRR method of investing has a similar energy. Hope, momentum, everyone's doing it. You'll miss out if you don't. But when the cycle turns, that's when the risk shows up. Explodes is if the BRRRR method stopped at the BRRRR. Buy, renovate, rent. The risk would be lower. The real danger begins at the refinance, repeat, because now you're increasing leverage. You're not building wealth, you're stacking debt. And for this strategy to work long term, everything has to go right. For years, until each property is paid off. Let's talk about what has to go perfectly. Number one, property values. Property values must stay stable or increase. When your mortgage renews, the lender can request a new appraisal. If the market has dropped, they can demand money. Think of the year 2008 to 2010. Housing collapses happen and leverage magnifies pain. Number two, interest rates. The BRRRR method thrives in low-rate environments, but what happens when rates double? For example, a $200,000 line of credit at 3% is about $500 a month. In interest, at 6%, it's about $1,000 a month. That's $500 extra per month per property. Interest never sleeps. It works weekends, it works holidays. It doesn't care about your stress level. If this kind of practical, no-hype financial conversation is helpful for you, make sure you hit like. It tells YouTube this is worth sharing, because around here we focus on financial survival first and growth second. Property taxes, they do not go down, and municipalities can foreclose for non-payment. You pay them whether the property is rented or vacant. Renters, they are your only income source. Do they pay you on time? Do they damage the property? Do they lose their jobs? Do you have a vacancy? One bad tenant can wipe out months of profit. Number five, insurance. Costs are rising. You need property insurance. You may need life insurance. Premiums increase. Storms happen. Fires happen. Floods happen. Number six, vacancy. When a property is empty, you still pay. Mortgage, interest, taxes, insurance, utilities, zero income, full expense. Number seven, your exit strategy. You never want to be forced to sell, but if interest spikes or values drop or multiple properties go negative, you can be forced. And when leverage turns on you, it doesn't gently correct, it snowballs. The math looks good on paper. Here's the part I understand. You buy for $200,000, improve it, now it's worth $250,000. You have $50,000 in equity. You rent it for $1,500 per month. On paper, you look stronger. So you pull out that equity and you buy another property and another and another. But here's the truth. Your margin for error shrinks every time. If at any point your rental income doesn't cover your payments, every property is at risk, not just one, all of them. So how would I reduce risk? If I were investing in rental real estate, I would pay off the first property before buying the next. Yes, it's slower, but slower often equals safer. Leverage can build wealth. It can also destroy it. Financial survival is about staying in the game long enough to win. Before jumping into the BRRRR method, ask, who's teaching this? Are they selling a course, a book? Are they paid when you buy or refinance? Are they the one carrying the debt? Or are you? Just like the Klondike, the gold may be there, but many lost everything chasing it. Real estate has built wealth for many. It can be powerful, but power requires caution. The BRRRR method of investing doesn't scare me because it's impossible. It scares me because it works beautifully until it doesn't. And when it doesn't, the consequences are fast and unforgiving. If you're building wealth, build it in a way that lets you sleep at night. That's financial survival. And if you want to keep building smarter, not bigger, I've got another video right here where I talk about 7 things that are slowly draining your bank account. Go watch that next. And if this helped you think differently today, like the video, hit that subscribe button, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.